Hello, thank you for coming to our birthday party. I hope you enjoyed it.
We're going to show you how to make a homemade bedside lantern. So let's show you the things. And these things can be found in the goodie bags. We got a jar,
Some batteries,
and a box with our lights. So first we're going to open the box with our lights. I'm just going to get these out. My sister's going to open the small box where you put the batteries. You see these little marks? They'll show you which way the batteries go in. So we're just going to go one battery. This one's gone. Now this one will go in this way. Kind of didn't want to go in. And then this last one is going to go. Oh, it seems like it's already turning on. Let's just turn off the light. That was amazing.
That sure
So
was.
now I'm going to close the box.
Okay, close it.
Are you guys looking at this?
Because you have to pay attention and make sure you don't break the glass and don't tangle the lights.
And this doesn't want to go on. Yay! It's finally on. So now me and my sister are going to unravel all these lights. We're just going to take it out.
I'm going to take the door and open. Now we're going to put the lights in the jar. Oh, and also be careful not to tangle the lights.
Okay. So we've got everything in. We're going to turn it on. And now we're going to just close it.
And there you have it.
A little glowing jar. Doesn't it look nice? It's very good for at night. So that's how you
So
do
if you
it.
feel scared, you can use it.
Or like if you need water, use it to guide you to the kitchen so you can get a cup. Bye! And thank you for coming to the birthday party again.